Aggregation framework uses a special method called aggregate. Let's look at the syntax. DB, then collection name, then aggregate. This method needs one argument, an array. Array of stages. Each stage is an object, and all stages are separated by comma. At the beginning, all documents in the collection are passed to the stage 1. Then those documents are processed in this stage, and result of processing is passed to stage 2. Stage 2 takes those documents from the stage 1, performs its operation, and then passes to the next stage, and so on. When last stage ends its operation, results are returned back to the client. And those results are returned as a cursor. We have talked about cursor before and will not repeat it here. Let's go to the MongoDB shell and try aggregate method. We will try it with empty array, without any stages. And let's look what will happen. So ensure that you are in MyDB and that you have persons collection inside of it. Here it is, persons. And let's execute just db.persons.aggregate parentheses and inside just empty array without any stages. And let's press enter. And here you get a result. And you see here type IT for more. It means that server returned you a cursor. But which documents server returned to us? In this case, it returned same documents as it would return with find command. Let's execute find command instead of aggregate. Just db, persons, find, and empty query. And let's press enter. Result will be the same. It means that aggregate method without any stages will produce same result as find method with empty query. Okay, let's go on and talk about stages next. See you shortly.